What's up, everybody on YouTube land? In our free Facebook group, in the Business Loan Broker Academy free Facebook group, I made a post today. And in light of the coronavirus and everyone needing to essentially take their kids home or keep their kids home for the next 2 weeks to 3 or 4 weeks. So I put together this little post that's called Take Your Kids to Work Week. And while your kids are at home and you're wondering what to do with them as we're encouraged to social distance ourselves from the masses, take this time to teach your family more about our business, being a business loan broker and the different types of lending products. There's tremendous amounts of things that these kids can do. Here's a couple suggestions. Create an ad and have them place it in places like Craigslist or any sort of kind of classified ad. Number two, got teenagers. Teach them how to use social media to drive awareness around business lending. Teach them how to post on in groups and teach them how to reach out to admins and to business owners and how to send messages. And maybe guys can sit down and create those messages together. Number three, use those teenagers to make calls to local businesses. So now is better than any for them to jump on the phones and start making some calls to business owners and letting them know that we have funding products that can help them in this kind of time. Number four, create a check-in text message that they can easily copy, paste, and send to your circle of influence. Number five, create a check-in email that they can copy and paste and send. Number six, use one of the business loan broker pre-made flyers that we provide you in the academy. Print them off and distribute them responsibly to the local businesses, or better yet, make handmade flyers as an art project. So show your kids that you're in control, that you're a leader in the home and in the community, and teach them how and teach them about our business. So just a simple, short little message that I wanted to leave you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message. If you're not a part of our Facebook group, please join our free Facebook group titled Business Loan Broker Academy, and I'd love to see you in there. Thanks so much. Bye.